Welcome to Alley in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball Kilmer. Alley in the Valley is a lifestyle blog about healthy, delicious food, all while staying on a budget. Homegrown cooking, down-to-earth living. Today's recipe at Alley in the Valley is going to be my all-time favorite, I guess anyone's favorite, gumbo. It's the top of the year and I always make a big pot of gumbo for the new year. And you know, I put it on my blog a couple times, but today I'm doing it for the show. Gumbo is not, you don't make it very quickly. It's a longer process how to make it. And we really start with the roux. What is roux? Roux is the foundation of gumbo, and you have to make it right to get the consistency. Roux is flour and oil. And putting the flour and oil together and cooking it slowly gives it that dark brown, it gives you the foundation. So we're gonna start there. It takes time. That's about 15 or 20 minutes to get it right. And I'm gonna start with the roux and then we'll go from there. So let's get started on gumbo for top of the year. So I usually put about 5 tablespoons, well it depends, 3 tablespoons of oil, 3 tablespoons of oil, and you slowly put the flour in because you don't want it to clump. So you want it on medium to medium high, and you start mixing it. And what you want the flour and the oil to combine and really start getting the brown flavor. All right, so now the roux is the perfect color. It's like caramel brown, and you want it to be caramel brown with a great consistency. It takes 10 or 15, maybe 20 minutes, and there you go. And now I can start building from here. Onions, celery, bell peppers, all one of each. And I can add a little bit more oil in here to coat the vegetables because you want them sauteing in the roux. Now I'm gonna take the shrimp, which I was boiling in the crawfish seasoning, and I'm gonna put that in as my stock. So it's fish stock because I'm adding a lot of fish to this. Oysters, crab legs, shrimp into my gumbo. So let me take the seasoning package I used out. And now I'm going to take all the juice that was boiled with the shrimp and just pour it right into the gumbo. Slowly. Now, the stock of the gumbo is starting to form. I'm gonna pour a little bit more in there. And I'm also gonna pour, not everybody does this, I'm gonna put clam juice. After I added the stock, the fish stock, the shrimp stock, I'm adding 2 bay leaves, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a dash of hot sauce, and some salt and some pepper, and I'm gonna bring it up to a boil. So now I'm gonna start building all my ingredients in there. This is the fun part, yummy part. I just eat a sausage so good. Sausage go in first. Over here, my shrimp that I boiled so I could have the fish seasoning. I'll put my essence on top of that. Then I'm gonna do crab legs. I got wild crab legs. Oysters and their juice. And the oysters I'm gonna break up with my hands because they're so big and everybody doesn't always want giant oysters. Some green onions I chopped up, and some parsley. All right, so now I'm gonna add gumbo filet. That gives it body and texture and a little bit more rustic. I finally finished my New Orleans Creole gumbo, which has shrimp, oysters, sausage, crab legs, all the yumminess that I love. I'm gonna put a little parsley on top because everybody needs a little green in their life.
awesome. I love gumbo, I really do. And you know what? My gumbo's always better than my brother's. All recipes are on allieandthevalley.com. Follow me. This year's gonna be a big year. Thank you for following me. 2019, the year of 3. Put your mind to it, you can do it.